Good morning, Ajay. Yes, good morning. 9C. Let's begin up with the class. We are going to proceed on with the next topic today. In the previous class, we have studied about speed, velocity. Any doubt from there? Also, we have done the concept of scalar and vector. Any doubt there? Okay. May I proceed on with few questions from there? Let's have few questions, okay? So I be speaking the question, you can raise your hand as per whosoever know the answer, okay? And if anybody, there is one who has not attended the class, the previous one, you can please raise your hand and ask, okay? Chale, the first question is, tell one difference between speed and velocity. One main difference between speed and velocity. Students having camera off, you are requested to kindly switch on the camera. Hanji, Manpreet Kaur. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Ma'am, the difference between speed and velocity is in the speed, the distance traveled by the object in a unit time. The SI unit for speed is meter per second, and in the velocity, velocity is the speed of an object moving in the definite direction. The SI unit, the SI unit of velocity is the meter per second.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to tell you one quantity. You have to tell whether it is a scalar or vector. Okay. Let's talk about speed. Is it a scalar or a vector? Speed. Yes, Jovan.
Ma'am, speed is a quantity.
Speed is Joban.
Scalar quantity.
Speed is a scalar quantity. Why? Why it is
Ma'am,
a scalar?
Because in this the direction is not required.
Very good. In speed, there is no need of any particular direction. So it is a scalar quantity. And if we talk about velocity, there is a particular direction. So it is a vector quantity. Okay. Chale, moving on to the next, talk about force. Is it scalar or vector? Force. Hanji Smriti.
Ma'am, it is a vector quantity.
Force is a vector. Why?
Ma'am, because when the direction is given, the direction changes. Ma'am, we know the direction.
Very good. Because the direction, there is a particular direction along with this. Okay? Depending upon in which direction you are going to apply the force, the object will move in that particular direction. So force is a vector quantity. Chale. Any doubt, anyone from speed velocity, from scalar vector? Any doubt from the concept of speed velocity, from the concept of scalar vector? Anji. Yes, Vanshika. Anji, Vanshika, you raise your hand. You need to ask something.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Can you explain velocity again?
Sorry.
Can you explain velocity again?
Velocity means speed, but in one particular direction. Fine. Like if I talk about speed, you have one particular point over here, let's say A. You go from point A to B. There are many ways to go from A to B. You can follow any path like this and you can reach here. You can have a path like this and you can reach there. So these are the different paths. Yes, whatever the distance you cover, whatever the time you take, we say it is the speed. But if there is a straight path from A to B, in this case also you are going to cover some distance, you are going to take some time, fine. So in this case your speed is called as velocity. इस केस में हम स्पीड को क्या बोलेंगे? Velocity. Okay, so velocity is the speed but in a particular direction. Anji, any other student, any question? Saksham, you have doubt? You raise your hand.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hanji beta.
What is magnitude? What is magnitude?
Magnitude. Magnitude means if I say that Saksham, for how much time you are studying physics, you will say, madam, 2 hours. Or maybe you will say, madam, 30 minutes. So that number 30 plus the unit. Okay? If you just write a number, that is not making any sense. Number plus unit. Like aap bologe, mama, I study for 7. So 7 doesn't make any sense. It can be 7 hours, it can be 7 minutes. Fine. So you have to tell the unit also. And when we have a number along with the unit, we call it as the magnitude. We call it as magnitude. Magnitude hota hai number along with the unit, like 7 kilometer, like 5 kg, है ना? So number है और साथ में unit है. हाँ जी. Any other question? Yes, Trishant, you have any question?
Now, what is non-uniform acceleration?
We are going to proceed on with the acceleration today, Trishant. Then we are going to discuss this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hanji. Okay, shall we start with the class? Let's proceed on with the next topic. Those who are having the camera off, you are requested to kindly switch on the camera, else you will be removed from the class. Gurveer, kindly switch on the camera. Dhriti Pathania. Tanveer, Ramanjeet Kaur. You people are requested to kindly switch on your camera, please. Okay, ji. So today we are going to proceed on with the next topic, that is acceleration. Fine. Acceleration. Write down the definition first of all of acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Write down. The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Fine. It is the rate of change of velocity. Savleen, we have just started, beta. Okay. We have done the recap of the previous topic and just now we have written the definition of acceleration. That's it. Okay. So you can start writing and I'm going to explain it. Okay. So acceleration, it is the rate of change of velocity. What it means, let's say you are at a point. Let's say you are at a point A and from A you have to go to the another point, that is B. Fine. At A there is very like you are at A, your speed there is 20 km/h because the path is straight from A to B, so we can call this speed as velocity. straight path है. Now when you are starting your journey from A, your velocity is 20 and you will find that the path in front of you is totally clear, कोई traffic नहीं है, it is whole clear. So you increase the speed to 50 km/h. When you reach to point B, आपकी velocity कितनी हुई? 50. Fine. Then you have to go from B to next point called as C. You reach to the next point, C. Here there is like the same kind of not very high traffic is there, so it's okay. So you are at C with 50 km. आपने speed increase करी थी, first it is 20, then you increase to 50, है ना? आगे कोई traffic नहीं था B से C तक, so you are with that velocity only, with 50 only. Now when you move on, you want to go to the next point, that is D. There is a huge traffic. From C to D, there is a huge traffic. So what you do? Will you increase the speed more or you will decrease? Very good, smile. Obviously we are going to decrease. So let's say we decrease to 10 km/h, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक था, so we came very slow. We decrease the velocity to 10 km/h. Fine. Okay. Now acceleration means what? What is the change in velocity? Fine. And in how much time? Let's say A से B तक पहुंचने में आपको 5 सेकेंड लगे. B से C तक पहुंचने में you have taken 2 seconds. C से D तक you have taken 4 seconds. Fine. So acceleration means change in velocity, कितना velocity में change हुआ and कितने time में change हुआ. What is the change in velocity and in how much time it changes? Rate means with respect to time. Okay. Now you go from A to B. 20 से you reach to 50. Your velocity changes from 20 to 50. So is there a change in velocity? Velocity में change हुआ? हाँ जी ईशान, is there a change in velocity बेटा? A to B?
Yes.
Yes. How much? How much? कितना change हुआ?
Ma'am, 30.
30. Very good. So you started from 20, you reached to 50. So how you are going to find it? To 50 minus 20. ऐसे ही find करते हैं. Okay. Change in velocity divide by time is your acceleration. और 20 से 50 तक आने में कितना टाइम लगा आपको? 5 seconds. So divide by 5. When you solve it, you will get the acceleration. Got it? Okay. Then we move from B to C. Hanji Savleen. Beta, from B to C, what is the change in velocity?
Ma'am, no change.
No change. Very good. So we can write here 50 minus 50, 0. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no change. Okay, change in velocity is 50 minus 50. Divide by time is how much? 2. So when you are going to solve it, 50 minus 50 वो cancel out हो जाएगा and their answer is going to be 0. So means that, okay, यहाँ पे एक चीज के ऊपर stress दो. Look here. Onto this word. Kindly stress onto this word. This. What I have highlighted. It is change. मतलब velocity में change होना is must. Fine. In this case, from B to C, Savleen said there is no change in velocity. It means there exists no acceleration. Got it? For acceleration, there has to be a change in velocity. Okay. Then is the next one. From C to D. Hanji, who is going to tell? Hanji, Puneet. Hanji, beta. Okay, yes, Uday, please unmute yourself. Uday. Able to. Okay, yes, Ishnur.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, from C to D, is there any change in velocity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How much?
40.
40 नहीं बेटा, हम क्या करेंगे, स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुए, 50 से, एंड हुआ 10 पे, so it is 10 minus 50, so it is not 40, it is minus 40. Got it? Okay, divide by time, that is 4. When you solve this, you will get the acceleration. Anji Mannat, is it clear? Okay. So, what is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity. Fine. So, there has to be a change. Now, let's do the two types of acceleration. We have two types of acceleration. One, we call it as positive acceleration, and the second, we call it as a negative acceleration. Fine. One acceleration is positive acceleration, and the second acceleration is negative acceleration. Okay. Now, if you look onto A to B, your velocity at A is 20, at B the velocity is 50. So there is increase in velocity. Yes, there is increase in velocity. This is called positive acceleration. Matlab there is a change in velocity in some time. So there is acceleration, but because there is increase in velocity, so this type of acceleration is called as positive acceleration. Is this clear? Second is negative acceleration. Look at C to D. C to D. There is a decrease. Your velocity is 50. After 4 seconds, it decreases to 10. So there is a decrease in velocity. So this type of acceleration is called as negative acceleration. जहां पे increase होगा, that is the positive. जहां पे decrease होगा, that is the negative. Fine. Let's write it down about positive and negative. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than initial velocity. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than initial velocity. Done. Next is negative acceleration. Write down the acceleration in which the final velocity is smaller than the initial velocity. अगर आपकी final velocity smaller हुई as that of the initial velocity, that is negative acceleration. जैसे C to D, final velocity है 10, initial velocity है 50, so final is smaller, so it is negative acceleration. A to B, final is 50, initial is 20, so final is greater than the initial, so this is a positive acceleration. Okay, moving on with the next. Initial velocity we write with small u, final velocity we write with small v. So positive acceleration means the final velocity is greater than initial, means v greater than u. Negative v, that is the final velocity, is smaller than the initial velocity, that is u. So v is smaller than u. Okay. Anji, so is this clear, beta? Anji, Harman. Yes, beta.
What is meaning of V and U?
Meaning of
V and U.
V and U. Okay, I'm going to talk about that. Okay. Have you written this? We have two kind of acceleration, positive and negative. Now, let's write down the formula for acceleration. Acceleration का formula. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. कितना velocity में change हुआ और कितने time में change हुआ. We can also write it like this. एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी को हम बोलेंगे फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, है ना, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, एंड नीचे आ जाएगा डिवाइड बाय टाइम टेकन। Okay, now beta I'm going to write what you asked. Acceleration को हम लिखेंगे with small a is equal to final velocity को लिखेंगे small v minus initial velocity written by small u divide by time taken written by small t. So this is what we say u and v. Fine. V is written for final velocity, and please keep this in mind, this is in lower case. This is not uppercase v, this is small v. Fine. U is the initial velocity, the symbol used for initial velocity, the starting velocity. V is the symbol used for final velocity. T is the symbol used for time taken. And A is the symbol used for acceleration. And the Saksham, is this clear? Okay. Now we are going to have the formula, the unit. Fine, unit of acceleration. So we are going to get the unit from this formula. Acceleration. Acceleration is velocity over time. Velocity का unit होता है meter per second divide by time का unit होता है second. Second के साथ नीचे denominator में कुछ नहीं है. Can we write here 1? So now fraction to fraction कैसे solve करेंगे इसको? Meter per second. Then second over 1 का हम reciproc करेंगे. It is going to be 1 over second. So when you multiply, meter multiplied by 1 is meter. Second multiplied by second is second square. So therefore, the unit of acceleration is what? It is meter per second square. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Hanji Smriti. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please explain it once again?
Which one? Unit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I'm going to repeat unit once again. Okay. So what is the formula of acceleration? That is velocity over time. ठीक है? Change in velocity over time. What is the unit of velocity? देखो यहाँ पे हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. ऊपर है velocity. Velocity का यूनिट आएगा मीटर पर सेकेंड. वेलोसिटी का यूनिट क्या है? मीटर पर सेकेंड. नीचे है टाइम. टाइम का यूनिट होता है सेकेंड. नथिंग इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर, सो वी कैन राइट हियर 1. फाइन. नाउ फ्रैक्शन डिवाइड बाय फ्रैक्शन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक रेसिप्रोक. यू नो ना, रेसिप्रोकल. सो मीटर पर सेकेंड डिवाइड की जगह पे हम डालेंगे मल्टीप्लाई. सेकेंड ओवर 1 will be 1 over second, and when you multiply this, meter multiplied by 1 is meter, second multiplied by second is second square. So the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. And Smriti, is it clear now? Okay. Anybody else? Any doubt? Any doubt till here? So till here we have done. Dhriti Pathania, you are still not present. Your camera is still off. Okay, thank you. Bacha, keep writing, okay? Children, if there is any problem regarding any network issue and all, you have my number with you. You can please send a message to me. Fine. only then I be able to know. And Tanveer and Trishant, kindly switch on your camera. Tanveer, Gurveer, Dhriti, Prashant. Okay, ji. So we have done the acceleration topic today. Acceleration means the change in velocity in some particular time. That is the rate of change of velocity. There are two types of acceleration we studied. One is positive acceleration and one is negative acceleration. Okay? If the final velocity is greater, that is the positive acceleration. If the final velocity is smaller, that is the negative acceleration. Acha, final velocity greater कब होगी? When you apply race. Like path clear है, आपने रेस दिया, तो जितनी पहले वेलोसिटी थी उससे वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज करेगी. Fine. When you give race, only then the velocity increases. So that is the positive acceleration. And when you apply brake, when you slow down the speed, when you apply brake, that is the negative acceleration. Fine. So negative acceleration is when you slow down the speed, when you apply the brake. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now, in exam, if they are writing define retardation, so retardation क्या होगा? Retardation is nothing. I have just told you right now. Acceleration is of two types. Yes. Have we done the types? One is the positive acceleration and the second one is negative acceleration. Now what I said na, define retardation. Retardation is nothing but this is the names given to negative acceleration. Negative acceleration के different names हैं. Fine. We call negative acceleration as retardation. We also call it as deceleration. We also called it as deacceleration. Now these all are nothing. This is the negative acceleration only. The different names we have for negative acceleration. We call it as retardation. We call it as deacceleration. We call it as deceleration. So if they ask you what is deceleration, that is means they are talking about negative acceleration. Is this clear? Okay. Now we are going to do one question. Yes, Manpreet.
I mean, the positive acceleration, there was no name. Was
नहीं, we call it as simple acceleration. If they are talking about acceleration, अगर आपको values given होंगी, like 40 से 50 तक गया है या 40 से 30 गया है, you have to decide whether it is positive or negative. Fine. But otherwise, we positive acceleration को simply हम acceleration भी बोल सकते हैं. We call it as positive acceleration. That's it. Fine. Okay. Hanji. Any other question? Chale. Now we are going to do one question based upon this. One numerical. We try to make this habit that in every class we will try to have one numerical of any kind from the topics we have already done. So that numerical is going to be your daily habit and there will be no difficulty then. Okay. So you know the steps to solve numerical? लिखवाए थे? Please give a thumbs up if you have written. Chalo, we are going to write the steps, okay? We are going to write it down. So the first step to solve the numerical is given. Please write down the steps. I will solve the numerical in front of you and you will be clear with कि कैसे numerical solve करते हैं. हाँ, अगर ये step solve करोगे, there will be zero error in your numerical. Fine. You solve step by step. Okay, first is given, second is conversion. Third is formula. First of all, write down all the steps, then I'm going to explain what it means. Fourth is substitution. And fifth is result plus unit. Okay, now we are going to have one question and we will understand these steps from that question. Okay, so write down the question. An object changes its velocity from 36 kilometer per hour to 72 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. So this is the question. An object changes its velocity from 36 kilometer per hour to 72 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. Fine. Chale. Now I will be doing the question for you and I will be explaining you the steps. जो मैंने side पे लिखवाए हैं steps to solve numerical कैसे follow करेंगे. So okay, the first step we have is given. First step कौन सा है? Given. Given means whatever the things are given in the question, write down. Okay, that is the first step. So an object changes its velocity from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. So initial velocity कितनी given है? Initial velocity written by small u is given as 36 km per hour. Fine. Then final velocity written by small v is given to you as 72 km per hour. Then time written by small t is given to you as 10 seconds. Then acceleration written by small a, you have to find out. Okay, this is the given. हमने जो जो क्वेश्चन में गिवन था वी हैव नोटेड डाउन. Now the next is conversion. Conversion means you have to check are the all things in the standard or not. Like if you look here velocity, velocity का standard होता है मीटर पर सेकेंड, लेकिन यहाँ पे कितना गिवन 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो इसको हमने किस में चेंज करना है मीटर पर सेकेंड में. 36 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर्स 1000 डिवाइड बाय आवर में कितने सेकेंड 3600. डोंट राइट इट. फाइन. अब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे, दो दो जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. ओके, आया 5/18. एवरी टाइम यू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर पर आवर इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड, आपको 1000 डिवाइड बाय 36 से डिवाइड करना है. हर बार 5/18 आएगा. फाइन. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, rather than doing this calculation, if you have a number to convert in meter per second, number लिखो 36 लिख दिया, directly multiply the number with 5/18. मतलब वो जो सॉल्विंग करनी थी, हमें पता है कि सॉल्व करके कितना आंसर आना है 5/18 है ना, तो डायरेक्टली उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36 and 2 5s are how much? It is 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. क्लियर. सिमिलरली फाइनल वेलोसिटी चेंज करेंगे. इट इज 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मीटर पर सेकेंड में चेंज करना है. मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 5/18. सो व्हाट इट इज, 18 1s are 18, 18 4s are 72 and 4 5s are 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Next is time. Time का standard unit होता है second and it is in second. So there is no need to do any change. हाँ जी, given हमने लिख लिया था, conversion हमने कर ली. Conversion means like if something is not in the standard unit, bring it into standard. जैसे time है, it is given 10 second. अगर यहाँ पे लिखा होता 1 hour, तो हमें उसको second में convert करना था. If it is written 2 minutes, we have to convert it into second. Fine. The third one is formula. You have to write the formula. So what is the formula? The formula is A is equal to V minus U divided by T. Change in velocity over time. Fine. Okay. This is the formula done. फोर्थ स्टेप is substitution. मतलब फॉर्मूला में वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. V is the final velocity. कितनी वैल्यू आई 20 माइनस U is the initial velocity. कितनी वैल्यू थी 10 डिवाइड बाय टाइम. कितना टाइम गिवन है 10. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Divide by 10. When you are going to solve this, you will get the answer as 1. और एक्सेलरेशन का यूनिट क्या था मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द फाइनल लास्ट स्टेप, दैट इज रिजल्ट. लिखो रिजल्ट आ गया आपका 1 और साथ में यूनिट लिखो, यूनिट आ गया आपका मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. So this is the way you have to solve the numerical. This is the first one, so I did it for you. Fine. But आप इसको हम इसको रोज practice करेंगे. We try to have one numerical at least daily, that you will be, you know, improving yourself for solving numerical. And trust me, if you do it, numericals are not difficult. आपको बस 5 steps follow करने हैं. You have to write given. क्योंकि अगर आप एक भी step miss out करोगे ना, you will be confused. And second thing is, if you miss out any of the step, might be that step is having marks. Like अगर ये question 3 marks का होता and they are giving you 1 mark for doing the conversion, and if you have not done the conversion, you will not get the mark. Got it? If you will not follow any step, maybe you will reduce, there will be some deduction in the marks. Like 5th step है result plus unit, means for writing the result you will get the marks, for writing the unit, you will get the marks. अगर आपने सिर्फ लिखा होता 1 and you forget to write meter per second square, तो half mark will be definitely deducted. And if you are going to follow all the 5 steps, no one is going to deduct any of your mark. Fine. Hands. Any question? Once you are again going to check the numerical, ठीक है, एक बार इसको खुद solve करके देखना. If you face any problem, you can please let me know. My number is with each one of you. You can please send a message. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. And all the best for your exam. Your science exam is also coming up. Yes. All the very best.